It is Halsevier plan. So let us understand what does it
Halsevier.
say. See, Halsevier plan, it says about this plan was again identified by Weir. This is based on 33% to 66%, 66 1 by 3% sharing plan. Yes, the same plan they get they made some more changes. How can they do it? Till now we used to take it as 50% of the problem, 50% of the percentage. If they have mentioned, then well and good. If they have not mentioned, we used to calculate with 50%. If you can see, T into R plus 50% of S minus T into R. Yes, can you see it here? So coming to the Halsey, what does it say? Workers earning is equal to time taken into rate per hour plus 33 1/3% of time saved into rate per hour. It is pretty similar to the same formula, right? Agree with me, students? Little similar, not the exact similar, little similar. So we'll solve the problems, we'll get a clear more idea. It says the standard time is 12 hours, time taken is 8 hours, time per rate, that is for 1 hour they are charging 5 rupees. Compute the total earnings under Halsey and Halsey-Ware plan. So for Halsey plan, what is the formula, students? What is the answer, students? According to Halsey. Halsey-Ware will do it later. What is the answer for Halsey? 33 1/3 is nothing but 33.33. Don't get confused. Am I audible, students? Still you not got the calculation? Yes? If you don't know, let me know, students. I'll help you out. See, here, what is T? What is T here, students? T is time taken. What is the time taken? 8. 8 hours, right? So, and R is 5. So, 8 5s are 40. Mention it as 40 plus 33.1/3 is nothing but 33.33%. So, let us make it into the normal. So, 33.33 divided by 100. So, you will get it as 0.33. Put a brackets 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is how much? 4 5s are 20, right? 0.33 into 20, it is equal to 6.66 or 6.67. Yes? Getting my point? Plus 40. What is the answer now? Tell me.
46.6, ma'am.
That's it. 46.6. That is the answer. Any doubts? Got it, students? Any doubts? Shall we do it one more problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do it one more. Just a minute. This is only about the Halsey-Ware. What is the major difference here? There we used to take 50%. Instead of 50%, we are taking 33.13 according to Halsey-Ware plan. Or in few questions, they might ask you to take 66.33 only. In that case, you will change it. Clear? Okay, let's go to the next problem. I have another problem here, I hope. Okay, so standard time is 10 hours. Just make a note of it. Standard time is 10 hours. Time taken is 8 hours. Time taken is 8 hours and time rate is 2.50. So calculate earnings under Halsey-Ware plan. So what is the answer, students? Yes, is it difficult to calculate, students?
Ma'am, 26.6, ma'am.
Okay. Any other answers? Any other answers? What is the
Ma'am,
answer, Epatma?
21.65.
What is Shreya said the answer? Shreya, what was your answer, Shreya?
Ma'am, I got 26.6.
Okay, okay. Let us see what other answers get. Who said the other answer? 21.65?
Pooja, ma'am.
Pooja. Okay, Pooja. Others? So let us see
Ma'am,
what.
21.65. Ma'am.
Okay, Sahana says 21.65. Yes, any other person? Hemant. Hemant is not there today. Okay, Harsha, what is the answer? Harsha is busy in something else. Okay, Kavita, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 21.65.
Okay. Let us see what Shreya has done. Shreya, tell me what have you done, Shreya? How did you calculate?
Ma'am, first T into R, ma'am.
Yes, ma. T into R. Correct. Tell me. T into R is what is the answer? What is T? What is R? Tell me.
Ma'am, T is 8, ma'am.
Okay.
R is 5, ma'am.
R is 5. Okay.
T into R. Then it will be 40, yeah.
Then what is T? Then what is the question I have given? Tell me. T is standard time is 10 hours. Time taken is
8 hours, ma'am.
8 hours. Time rate is
2.50.
then
Oh,
what Shreya madam has used?
ma'am, I've used 5, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Don't get confused. See what is T, what is R. They are mentioned as time rate. That is the way they make you get confused. Right? Time taken, time rate. The moment you see time, you will take that only both. So be very careful. Standard time is 10. Time taken is 8 hours. Time rate is 2.5. Just going back to the formula, T into R plus 33 one third percent of time saved. It is nothing but S minus T into R. So what is the answer? T into R is 8 into 2.5 plus 0.33 into 2.5 into 2. So what is the answer you are going to get? 21
65, ma'am.
That's it. Got the answer, students? You want to try one more?
Get, ma'am.
Sorry, Mashriya.
Ma'am, I didn't. I got that T into R. I understood, ma'am. Then
Okay.
plus 33. That one I didn't understand.
Ma, for Halsey we are using the percentage as 33 one third. If they have not mentioned in Halsey what we used to do 50%. But as coming to the Halsey we are using, since they have not given any percentage, it is assumed to be taken as 33 one third. 33 one third, if you convert to the percentage, one third is nothing but 0.33, right? 1 divided by 3 is how much? Shreya, 1 divided by 3 is
0.3, ma'am.
0.3 plus 33, how much it is? 33.33. Convert that into the normal in the decimals. That is 33.33 divided by 100. It is percentage, right? Percentage of 33.33 is 0.3333 it goes. Yes, correct? Got it, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
And sum of S minus T. S minus T is nothing but standard time minus time taken. Standard time is 10. Time taken is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Right? Howdo alva ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Into 2.5. So now you will get the answer. Check it out. Others, lot of disturbance is there. Yes, Punit, he left. Okay, fine. See, one more problem, we'll do it and we'll go to the next one. Is it okay? Yes,
Okay,
my
ma'am.
voice is breaking.
No, ma'am.
Okay, just listen to it. A worker is paid basic rate of rupees 20 per hour. That is R. Mention it as R is equal to 20 per hour. Rupees 20 per hour. Yes, in addition to it, he gets rupees 2000 per week of 48 hours as a DNS allowance. He complete a job with the standard time of 60 hours during the week of 48 hours. Okay, ascertain his earnings under Halsey premium plan. Halsey wear plan. So what is he saying? The R is rupees 20 per hour. There it is. Okay, And what is S here, students? S is 60 hours, where he has completed the job in 20 hours, sorry, 48 hours. So that becomes T, right? So let's go on to the formula. What is the formula says? The bonus or earnings is equal to P into R, right? Plus 33.33%. It is nothing but 33 1/3. Okay. Time saved, that is S minus T into R. This is the formula. Now you calculate the answer. What is the answer now? It's 48 into, what is R? That is 20. Hardly I'm getting the letters here. 20 plus 20, that is 0.333 into S minus T is 60 minus 48 into 20. So what is the answer? Now 0.992. Yes, Sana, what was your answer?
1039.2, ma'am.
39.2. Okay. Others? Any other answers? So 1039.2 or 92 it is, Sahana. Can you please tell me how did you do it? Yes, Vaishnavi, what is your
1039.92.
92? Okay, Sahana, how did you calculate, ma? 48 into
20, ma'am. Plus 0.33, ma'am.
Okay.
Into 12 into 20.
So that you will get as a one part. The other part will become 48 into 20, that is 960, plus whatever the sum you are getting. The answer is, what is the answer is 1039.92. Is it clear? Yes? Any doubt, students? Now you got it, Shreya? Okay. So 992 it will come. So that is the answer. So let us move on to the Halsey plan and Halsey plan. So let us understand the other one, that is Rowan plan. Yes? Let's know what does Rowan plan says. Rowan plan is again the plan which explains about the more concentrated on the standard time for the completion of a job, and the rate power is fixed. So whatever the time is given, the power is time is fixed, and they do it. Here there is no percentage as such. So the bonus is equal to time taken divided by standard time into time saved and time rate. So there is a difference between the other two plans. Earlier what we used to do, time taken into R plus percentage into time saved into time rate. But here nothing. It is like time taken by standard time into time saved and time rate. Yes, that is the formula. And also they say that if the time taken by the worker is more than the standard time, then he is paid according to the time rate. Yes, if it is 10 hours and he is completing the job like more than the standard time, then his payment is calculated on the timely hour. How many hour he has taken and what is the rate per hour? According to it, they used to calculate the earnings or bonus. Yes, if it is less than standard time, then we calculate with this formula. So what is the formula says? Bonus is equal to time taken by standard time into time saved, that is S minus T into time rate. Students? Yes? Problem here, let us understand what is the problem says. A worker takes 10 hours to complete a job on daily wages and 6 hours on a scheme of payment by results. Okay, he is taking 10 hours to complete the particular job, and on the scheme of payment result he is taking 6 hours. His day rate is 5 hours. 5 hours is taking the day rate. Okay, and the material cost of the product is ₹10, and the overheads are recovered at 150% of the total direct wages. Calculate the factory cost of the product under Rowan plan. So let us first understand what is the standard time here. 10 hours is the standard time, but he is taking how many hours to complete? He is taking 6 hours, right? The T remains 6, S remains 10, and the time saved is difference between the standard time and the time taken. So what is the difference between that? 10 minus 6 is 4, right? T is equal to 6. This is equal to 10 hours. And R is equal to, what is R? R is how much, students, in the problem?
5, ma'am.
Yes. R is rupees 5 hours. Rupees 5. Okay. So let us put the same thing in the formula. Time taken, that is equal to 6. Standard time is 10. 6 divided by 10 into 4 into 5. So what is bonus? 6 divided by 10 into 4 into 5. Tell me the answer now.
12, ma'am.
12, right? That is the bonus what he used to get. Okay, but here, while calculating the factory cost of the production under row 1 plan, so they are asking on the whole how do they calculate the factory cost. In order to get the factory cost, first we should understand the wages, right? So for 6 hours he is paid 5 rupees. Then calculate the what is his actual wage. 6 into 5, right? 6 hours ಗೆ 5 rupees ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಾರಿ, 1 hour ಗೆ 5 rupees ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 6 hours ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ? 6 into 5, what is the answer? 30?
30, ma'am.
Yes. Plus bonus. What is the bonus amount he got? We calculated just now. What is the amount?
12, ma'am.
12 rupees. So the total wages
12.
for him is 42 rupees. 30 plus 12. Okay, then let us calculate the factory cost now. So he said to calculate the factory cost of the product where the overheads are recovered at 150%. So 150% he is trying to recover the overheads. Yes, just a minute. It is there in the next page, I guess. Yes. So what is the material cost? In the problem he says the material cost of the product is rupees 10. Okay, so when like you will understand still more in the costing, right? Costing is a subject about the overheads. How do you calculate the factory cost, material cost? Yes, and calculate the factory cost. First we'll add all the what are the material cost is there and what is the wages is there, and they you will try to calculate the overhead on the basis of whatever the percentage they are given in order to recover it. Yes. The factory cost can be calculated as material cost is 10, which is given in the problem. The wages is 42%. So they said overhead is recovered on 150 percentage of what? In the question they have mentioned. 150% are recovered. See, the overheads are recovered at 150% of the total direct wages. Can you see here? So they're trying to recover it by total direct wages. What is the total direct wages? That is 42 rupees. So 150% of 42%, what is the answer, students? Yes, what is the answer? 150 divided by 100. 1.5 into 42. So what is the answer?
63, ma'am.
Yes, you will get it as 63. The same thing you have mentioned. The material cost is 10. Wages is the total wages, whatever the wages amount as well as the bonus amount. So it is come all together as 42. The overhead is again calculate on the direct wages, that is 150% of wages, that is 150% into 42, we get it as 63. The total factory cost is sum of all this 10 plus 42 plus 63. What is the answer? What is the answer? ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಬೇಕಪ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್? Sum of all the cost, material cost, wages, and
115, ma'am.
150.
115, ma'am.
115. Okay, you got it. How do you calculate the factory cost? This factory cost very rare they'll ask you, but I'm just making you understand how can you do it. Yes, shall we go on to the other problem? Will you able to do it? Shall we go?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, the standard time is 20 hours, time taken is 16 hours, and hourly rate is 2 per hour. So what is the formula says? Time taken divided by standard time into what is the formula? Time taken, time saved divided by time taken by standard time into time saved into time rate, right? ನನಗೆ ಬೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. Yes. Put this data into that and try to get the Rowan plan bonus amount. Let me see who will tell the answer. Everything is on the screen only. Yes is 20. Time taken is 16 hours. Hourly rate is 2. Put the formula.
6.4, ma'am.
Sorry?
6.4, ma'am, bonus.
Very good, very good. Shreya answered. Okay, she got the answer. How about others?
Yes, ma'am. 6.4.
Okay, so you got the answer right, 6.4. Any doubts, students? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Now the total earnings will be what? How much is the formula? How many hours he is working? He is working for 16 hours and each hour it is 4 rupees. So 16 into 2 is 32 plus 6.40. The total earnings is equal to wages plus bonus. So how do you calculate the wages? Students, just now we learned how do you calculate the wages? Number of hours he worked into number of hours.
Rate per hour.
Rate per hour. So that gives you the wages, and the totally what he is getting bonus plus wages is equal to the total wages plus the bonus. What have you calculated? Rupees 6.40 plus 32. So what is the answer?
38.4.
38.4.
What Rakshita, tell me what is the answer?
38.4, ma'am.
Okay, you got it, students? You got it now, Rowan plan? Any doubts? Any doubts, students? Rowan plan? I hope you got the point. First you will calculate the bonus, then you will calculate the total earnings. So whereas in other problems we used to calculate only the bonus, but here we are trying to calculate bonus as well as total earnings according to Rowan plan. Is it clear? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Now we will understand what are the merits and demerits of Rowan plan. So what is the main merits of Rowan plan? So checks over speeding and overstrain by worker, whether the speed is more or not, whether the person can able to do the work or not. So that can be checked in Rowan. And assured minimum base wages. So what is the base wages? Even though if they are not completing the work as per the standard time, but they can try and give an attempt to complete the work in a given time period, or if they are taking more than that also, they try to pay the amount. Yes, that is assured minimum base wage, and the efficiency is rewarded. Whoever complete the work fastly, even they will get the higher bonus amount, right? Because the time taken, if it is less than the standard time, then they'll get rewarded properly, right? That is the demerits, merits of Rowan. Coming to the demerits, discourage worker to overachieve. Sometimes what happen, if you give the higher standard time, sometimes they will not get motivated in order to complete the given work. Yes, so difficulty in ascertaining wages as it requires large data and processing, and also sometimes assessing them or analyzing the performance or getting the proper wages calculation. Sometimes it might require large data for processing, right? So that becomes difficulty when they are judging it. And the third one is sharing of profit over achievement may not be liked by worker. Yes, whatever the profit they want and they don't want to share it by the other workers. So because here what happens, total earnings, when we calculate the wages as well as the bonus together. Sometimes again sharing will become a problem. Yes, with the bonus based on the percentage of the completion, right? It is a varies between the wages of time saved. Either it may sometimes they'll take it as 33 1 by 3, or if they have not mentioned, they'll consider it as 50% based on the wages given by. Whereas Roman plan, there is no such percentage. They just calculate by standard time minus time taken divided by standard minus time t into r into s minus t divided by t into r, right? So that is the Roman plan, right? So whereas under Halsey plan, if the rate of premium is usually 50%, which does not serve as a strong incentive for relatively more efficient worker. So percentage if they are not given, in that case it is only a 50% of it they are getting it. So the people who are in hard work and all, for them this plan is not suitable, they can go for Rowan. Whereas Rowan, what happens? The bonus is paid on the basis of ratio of time saved and standard time in relation to time taken. What is the time he has utilized as well as and what is the effort he has done. All together they will get it in Rowan, right? So it provides a stronger incentive to more efficient worker when compared to Halsey. Yes? And Halsey plan, the effective labor rate per hour is lower up to 50% of the time saved can be doubled thereafter. Okay, so the effective labor rate per hour in the Rowan plan is higher up to 50% of the time saved will fall thereafter. So when compared to the both the things, where a Halsey happens what? Labor rate per hour is lower when it is 50%. Whereas in the Rowan plan, what is the effective labor rate per hour in the Rowan plan is higher up to 50%. Minimum is 50%, but maximum that might increase based on the efficiency of the employee. So when compared to Halsey, Rowan is much better when it is coming to the calculation of the bonus as well as total earnings. So the quality of work does suffer because to earn more bonuses, the workers go for quantity rather than quality, right? So they depend only on the quantity matters when it is comes to the Halsey, whereas in Rowan, but this does not happen in case of Rowan plan because bonus increases at a diminishing rate at higher level of efficiency. If the efficiency is good and the work is done properly, and they will get a proper bonus because they calculate both the bonus as well as the wages too. Clear with the thing, students? Any difference? Any doubts? So I'll say and Rowan distinction they have asked for 7 marks sometimes. In that case, try to explain what is it the both the things and explain the major difference.